If you've ever searched, "How do I use Git?" on the internet, you've probably seen this question: how do I clone a Git repository? Let's walk through it step by step in plain English. Cloning just means making a full copy of a project from a remote server, like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, onto your own computer. First, you need Git installed. On Windows, Mac, or Linux, you can grab it from git-scm.com. Once it's installed, open your terminal, command prompt, or PowerShell, and type git-version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Next, find the repository you want to clone. On a site like GitHub, open the project page and look for a button that says something like Code or Clone. You'll see a URL. That's the magic link your computer will use. There are usually two common types of URLs, HTTPS and SSH. If you're new, HTTPS is the simplest. It looks like https://github.com/username/project.git. Now, in your terminal, go to the folder where you want the project to live. For example, CD Documents or CD Projects. Then run git clone followed by the URL. So it might look like git clone https://github.com/username/project.git. Press enter, and Git will download the whole repository into a new folder. When it's done, you can move into it with CD Project. If the repo is private or requires login, with HTTPS you may be asked for your username and a password or personal access token. That token is just a long, special password you generate on the website. Paste it in when asked. Here are a few quick common issues. If you see permission denied or access denied, you probably don't have rights to that repository, or your token is wrong. Check your login details or ask the repo owner for access. If you see repository not found, double-check the URL. One typo is enough to break it. If Git says the folder already exists, either delete that folder or choose a different name. Git clone URL new folder name. Once you've cloned the repo, you can explore files, run the project, and start making changes. If you'd like to create explainer videos like this one for your own topics, head over to vidfactory.ai. You can turn your ideas into clean, animated explainers in just a few minutes with no video editing headaches. Thanks for watching, and happy cloning!